Hello everyone and welcome to this session of Drawing Together. Today we're going to study this figurine that I have in my hands. But before putting pencil to paper, let's take a look at this figurine in terms of the proportion it has to itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a caliper ruler here, and I'm going to see how many times the width goes into the length. So let's see what happens here. If I go like this, right, here's our width, and then I see how high up to the model it goes, and I see it goes to here and to there, right? So right about where her hands are is halfway, right? So whatever this is, there's two of these. There's one of these in the width and two of these in the length. That tells me that this is a 1:2 proportion. Also tells me that that would be two squares on top of each other if I were to make a rectangle around this figurine. So it also tells me halfway is about where her hand is. So already I have a lot of information before I've even started to draw. The next thing we'll do is look at where are the basic shapes that make up this figurine. Thank you everyone for watching and participating in today's session. Stay safe. I'm looking forward to the next time when we can draw together.